Using ChatGPT for thesis writing, what is safe and what is risky? Let's be honest, many students today use tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT to speed up their writing. It can help generate ideas, explain complex theories, summarize concepts, or improve clarity. And when used correctly, that can be completely safe. But here's where the risk begins. Using AI to brainstorm topics, outline chapters, or simplify difficult material, generally safe as long as you verify everything and rewrite in your own academic voice. Using AI to generate entire sections of your thesis and submitting them directly, that's risky. Why? First, AI can produce inaccurate or fabricated references. Second, the language may sound polished but generic, lacking depth, critical analysis, or discipline-specific nuance. Third, many universities now use AI detection tools alongside plagiarism software, which could flag over-reliance on generated content. Your thesis is not just about fluent writing, it's about original thinking, methodological clarity, argument strength, and academic integrity. AI is a tool, not a substitute for scholarly expertise. That's why smart students combine technology with professional human review. At Thesis-Edit.com, we help refine your own research, strengthen arguments, correct structure, improve citations, and ensure your work meets university standards. We don't replace your ideas. We enhance them ethically and professionally. Use AI wisely, write authentically, and before submission, let experts review your thesis at Thesis-Edit.com because your degree deserves more than shortcuts.